Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a vertical toggle button in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _My Home Page State. This is _My Home Page State class. Here we will design our app. This is the data member of the class. Since we will have 3 toggle buttons, this array holds their toggle status. By default, all the toggle buttons are unselected. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget so that our toggle buttons would be at the center of the screen. This is the toggle button widget. The direction attribute is set to the vertical direction. Then we set the border, color, and other attributes of the toggle button. When the toggle button is clicked, this onPressed function gets called. Here we update the status of the array variable. The index variable denotes the index of the toggle button which was selected out of our 3 toggle buttons. The isSelected attribute is set to the array variable which we had created earlier. Here we set the 3 toggle buttons. We could set the toggle button in text, image, icon, or any other format. We have used the icons here. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a vertical toggle button in Flutter Android. Thank you.